If you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazz, and today I was sent a wig from the hair company called Nadula. It is actually from the Nadula Amazon website, you guys. And on the inside, it comes with a nice little card. And the wig that I did get was actually the 13x6 lace frontal wig. They sent me some eyelashes on the inside with the box. And this wig is a pre-plucked frontal wig. And it has baby hairs, and it is 180% density, you guys. And it does have the transparent lace frontal. This hair is very soft, you guys, and you can see I'm not getting any shedding from this wig, which is a big plus. The hairline is pre-plucked, as you can see, and the knots aren't that dark, which is also a plus, you guys. There are 4 combs inside the wig. There's also some lace on the back in case you want to wear it in a ponytail. There's 1 comb on the side, another comb on the side, and then there's a comb on the inside, and then a comb in the back. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I styled this wig and dyed this wig, keep watching. So I got a mannequin head, and I pinned the hair up so I could start the color process, you guys. I had 3 boxes of the L'Oreal HICOLOR Highlights color in the color red. I also had a mixing bowl, and I also used the 40 volume developer that I got from Sally's, you guys. I poured the developer inside the bowl, and I kind of just eyeballed it because you're supposed to have 2.5, I think, ounces of developer per color. So I just pretty much filled it up to the top, you guys. And then I added all 3 boxes of red color into the bowl. Okay, here you guys can see I took my brush and I just mixed up the color in the developer so it was a nice consistency. You want to make sure that you don't have any lumps inside of the dye. And then I just put some on my gloves and I just started applying it onto the wig. I didn't do it in a neat fashion, you guys, because I mean the dye is going to go all over the wig anyway. So I just went ahead and started applying it, starting in the back of the wig first. When you guys get close to the frontal, that's when I actually started taking the brush and then just kind of neatly putting it on the frontal because I didn't want my lace to get dyed with that red color. So I just took my fingers and then I took the brush and I made sure I just kind of put it on there gently so my lace wouldn't be that red color because I did not want my lace to be red. Okay guys, I am back. I did do the wig. I let the color sit on for like an hour and I washed it out.
Hello people. Subscribe, share, like. Sorry.
Anyway, you guys, so I let the color sit on for like an hour, and after I let it sit on, I let it air dry. Then I put some curls in it, and then I cut the lace. I haven't done anything else to it. I haven't even cut the back, but this is the color, you guys. Yes. So I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see actually how it looks. I'm not gonna glue it down or anything like that because I really don't have to, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what this looks like. Oh my god, like look at this color, y'all. Like nothing is done to this. The lace isn't even glued down or anything, y'all. Like look at the color, y'all. And the hairline came pre-plucked, you guys, so as you can see, I didn't have to do anything to the hairline. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, you guys, make sure you check out Nadula hair. I'm loving this transparent lace frontal 14-inch wig. I love it, especially after I colored it, you guys. Like, this isn't even doing it justice. Like, I can't wait to go outside so I can show you guys exactly what this looks like in the sunlight, so you can get a better view of what it looks like. But yes, this red is popping. Like, it doesn't look like it on here, but yes, it's popping, honey. So as always, you guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. And as always, don't forget to what? Come back. Bye guys.